Speeding in Florida just got way more expensive and possibly criminal. A new law kicking in July 1st means if you're caught going over 100 miles per hour, you could end up in jail. Yeah, for speeding. Let's break down exactly what this means, who it affects, and whether it's really about safety or something else entirely. Signed by Governor Ron DeSantis, this new law targets anyone caught going 50 miles per hour over the posted speed limit or driving over 100 miles per hour in a way that endangers others or property. For first-time offenders, that's up to $500 in fines and 30 days in jail. Repeat offender? That jumps to a $1,000 fine, up to 90 days in jail, and your license revoked for up to a year. And get this, you can't just pay the ticket and move on. If you're caught doing 50 over the limit, you're legally required to show up in court. No exceptions. Miss your hearing? That could mean more fines or even a bench warrant. This law comes after the tragic death of 11-year-old Anthony Resnick. He was killed in 2022 while crossing a residential street. The driver? She was going 85 miles per hour in a 35 zone, had a suspended license and over 24 prior violations. Shockingly, she wasn't charged with a crime. But here's where it gets messy. Critics say the law is too broad and could clog the legal system. State Representative Mike Gottlieb called it constitutionally overbroad and incredibly invasive. Let's dig into the biggest questions people are asking. How is reckless at 100+ miles per hour determined? Likely up to the officer and judge. No clear definition yet. Does it apply on highways too? Yes. This isn't limited to neighborhoods. It applies statewide. Out-of-state drivers? If you're in Florida, you're under Florida law. That includes tourists, emergency exceptions? Possibly. But you'd better have documentation. Is jail mandatory? No. But it's an option even for first offenses. Judges have wide discretion. Can this be challenged in court? Maybe. Some legal experts say it could violate due process. Is it more about safety or revenue? That's up for debate. The intent is clearly public safety, but any law involving fines and jail time will spark skepticism. Bottom line, speeding in Florida is no longer just a fine and a slap on the wrist. Starting July 1st, it could cost you your car, your license, or even your freedom. Whether you're a local or just passing through, slow down